Direct Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of what you can already see is a very well set up 2016 SR5 Hilux. Now I'm going to walk you through some of the accessories, show you the overall condition, and we'll give you an idea of what you are actually looking at here. So on the front end you have got that color coded Rhino Bullbar that does keep the front end looking really nice and tidy. I love Rhino's designs because it does tie in very nicely with the actual shape of the body. Now you've got the chrome front grille on the front there and minimal stone chips or touch-ups on the front end at all really. So very well looked after. The headlights do have that really nice sharp design with your daytime running lamp through the middle there. The Bullbar itself has got your fog lights fitted, and down the bottom you've got full undercarriage protection, which is always good to see. So even though it has got that really high bullbar, you've got high clearance and protection underneath. So very well looked after. Making our way along to the first wheel, it has got the King's black steel wheels. The steel wheels obviously do have the benefit of being a lot sturdier than your alloys. It's not going to be too much of a hassle if they do get scratched. They do also complement the blue paintwork really well, especially with those blue center hubs. As you can probably already tell, it does have a bit of a lift kit, and there is plenty of tread left in those HanKook mud terrain tires. Now on the side here you've got the chrome door handles and side mirrors, and the underside of that mirror is also black plastic, so any stones that fly up from the side are going to hit the plastic and not chip the paintwork. Down the bottom here you've got a steel side step on both sides to help you get in and out of the vehicle. Now keyless entry means if you press the button on the door it will lock and unlock the vehicle. Obviously being Toyota, 2 beeps is unlock and 1 beep is lock. Now on the seats, very good condition considering you have to slide it in and out of the vehicle. There is a little bit of wear on that driver's seat there, but considering the age and what it's been used for, that's not concerning at all. Scuff plates are in good condition, and where people often get lazy and kick the doors open, very minimal wear there. Keep making our way along this side of the vehicle. The paintwork does present in good condition considering what it has been set up to do. You've got the ARB Canopy on the back here, which once again color match to the vehicle, does look really nice. And up on top of the canopy you've also got your ARB crossbars. Now that next steel wheel, once again really good condition, completely unmarked. There are a couple stone chips on the blue center hub, but nothing too concerning. Tires again in good condition. Making our way along to the back now, there's plenty of badging on the back here just to remind you exactly what you've got in your setup. So ARB Ascent canopy there, you've got your Hilux SR5 badging and that big Toyota badging through the center of the tailgate. You've got the chrome tailgate splitter with the handle, does look really nice, ties in very well with the back end of the car. The canopy itself does have your high mounted stoplight just up the top there, and because the canopy it does have your central locking, pressing the button under the canopy does let you open it. Now once the car is locked, all the windows on the canopy lock as well. Drop the tailgate and show you what you get in the back here. So pretty unique setup. You've got your Titan drawers, which they do slide out really nicely, and you've got plenty of storage space in there, really easy to access as well. They do lock once they are tied in, so you do need to actually pull the handle to pull them out. Now on either side of the drawers you've got a little bit of a setup here where you've got a 12-volt socket, 2 USB ports. On the other side you've got two plug points and another 2 USB ports in there as well. Rubber floor mats obviously, so the inside of your car isn't going to get too dirty when you do take it off-roading. Pro tip, don't do what I just did and clip the canopy first, because you won't be able to clip the tailgate. So make sure you do shut the tailgate and then the canopy. Making our way along now, the tub is actually in remarkable condition. There are no real major marks that I feel like I need to point out. There is a minor scuff on the tail light there, but once again nothing really concerning. The fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, being the safe side. That next steel wheel, once again remarkable condition, still plenty of tread in those tires. Side steps are in good condition too. There is a little bit of a drip there from the detailing spray, but no real major scratches or dents. That next wheel, once again good condition and plenty of tread in the tires. So as you can see from the outside, this vehicle is very well set up and will take you on many adventures. So I hope you are impressed so far. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and take a look at the engine. Taking a look under the bonnet, what we have is a 4-cylinder 2.8 litre turbo diesel engine, and the vehicle does have a 6-speed manual gearbox. ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars, which is always good to see because you know everyone's going to be nice and safe. Power output is 130 kilowatts with a torque rating of 420 Newton meters. Diesel fuel tank holds 80 liters of fuel and gives you a combined fuel consumption of an incredible 7.6 liters per 100 and an average fuel distance, depending on what you're towing, your driving style and driving conditions, of about 1,053 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Toyota Hilux now. On the driver's side door here, you do get all your power window controls. Front driver's side, all 4 windows are automatic up and down. Above that is your central locking buttons and the window lock. Above that again, the toggles for your power mirrors and the button that actually lets you fold them in. Now on the right hand side here, you've got the idle up button, which lets your car idle a little bit higher and warm it up a bit quicker. And you've also got a couple of blank buttons if you wanted to add anything extra. Your start stop button for the keyless ignition is on the right hand side of the steering wheel, so just foot in the clutch to start your car, and the right hand stalk you've got your indicators, automatic headlights and your fog lights. And on the left hand side you've got all your washer and wiper controls. Now on the steering wheel, it is a very nice leather wrap steering wheel with all your menu controls for the digital display in the middle of the clusters on the right hand side here, and all your media controls on the left. On the bottom right of the steering wheel, standard across all Toyota and Lexus ranges, you do get your cruise control on a little stalk down there. Having a look in the center display now, just quickly I will put it into reverse. So to get into reverse, you just push it to the left and then one more click to the left and reverse camera. As you can see the rear bumper, so if you did have a tow bar and you are planning on backing up to a caravan or a trailer of some kind, you can actually see your tow bar in that camera. Now in terms of your audio, you have got AM and FM radio. You've also got your Bluetooth connectivity, AUX and USB. Now this unit does also come with maps, so really good to know. Down the bottom you've got your climate control, so single zone climate control, so set the temperature with the right and press auto. The car will actually control the temperatures. 4-wheel drive selector is just on the right of your air conditioning. You've got a 12-volt socket, a USB input and AUX input there. Set up for a secondary battery if you had one, so your voltmeters there. You've got a traction control button, blank button and your rear diff lock. Now just above that, just next to that, you've got another 12-volt socket and some storage if you wanted to keep your phone while it was plugged in. The shifter itself, very nice, comfortable 6-speed shifter. It is nice and easy to drive this car. The IMT does also make it a lot easier to take off, so that does match the speed of your transmission to your engine and just makes your takeoffs nice and smooth, makes it a little bit more difficult to actually stall the vehicle. You've got eco mode and your power mode there as well. You've got a cup holder behind that with your hard handbrake and that leather wrap center console. When you open it up, there is a fair bit of storage there, and you've got an actual plug socket in there, so a 100-watt plug socket. Now on the back of your rear seats, you have also got little hooks if you did need to hang anything while you're driving. If we quickly pan around the interior, you will notice that the leather is all in really good condition. Even the roof lining all has been very well looked after, so kudos to the previous owner because they've actually really taken care of this vehicle. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Hilux. As you can see, it is actually in really good condition considering what it has been set up for. Something I would highly recommend is please take advantage of the glass coat, because that is going to preserve this beautiful blue paintwork and give you a lifetime warranty on it as well. It'll prevent it from fading, oxidizing, any bird dropping stains, bat dropping stains, sap damage, bug etching and much more. It's also a great way to minimize the maintenance required when washing your car. The other thing I would highly recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan. It's going to give you another 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. We'll also give you up to 200,000 kilometers of cover and up to 10 years of platinum roadside assistance, unlimited claims, and $3,600 per claim is what we will cover you for. It is awesome value, and if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance options and show you exactly how minimal the repayments are going to change with everything included in there for you as well. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact us, but before I go, you need to look at our Google reviews. We're sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide. So it's just proof that you are dealing with a good dealership, buying a good vehicle, and we will look after you and make sure that the process is nice and easy for you as well. Now, if you have any questions at all, the number is 9907055. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.